guys, welcome back. It's Tutorial Tuesday, which means it's time to learn a new balloon design. I think I actually taught this one during a live like 7 years ago, and I never put a recording of it on YouTube. So I want to get this one on YouTube so we can have clip art for it, and it'll just be in the catalog of balloon designs. It only takes 2 balloons, and I really love to make this one at parties and fast type of events because it is basically a line work design with just 2 balloons, but it's a very popular character that will make a lot of your little tiny customers very happy. So we're going to learn how to make a 2 balloon minion today. And this is also a great design for any character that wears like overalls. So like Mario, Luigi, that type of thing. If you know how to make these overalls, that's half the design basically right there. So let's go ahead and blow up our 2 balloons, blue and yellow, of course. So I've blown up my blue balloon to have about a 2 to 3 inch tail. And then the yellow balloon has maybe 4 to 5 inch tail. It's not as inflated. So I'm going to start with the overalls. Now this is the 2 balloon version. You can do another version where you have different colors for the shoes, different colors for the little hands or gloves, but this is like simple, as basic as you can get. So we're going to start off with 2 loops for his little feet, just small round loops. So there's our first loop. Make sure you pull that nozzle through there to lock it in. And our second loop. So these will be the feet. This is the bottom. We're going to come up however long you want his legs to be, probably not too long. And then we're going to put 1 pinch twist. Okay, so that's going to be his leg and then the first pinch twist. Now we're going to do the over the shoulder strap on the overalls. Make sure you squeeze your balloon out a little bit. And you want this loop to be big enough that another 260, the yellow one, can just slide right through there. Okay, so don't make this loop too small. And you're going to wrap that in. And you kind of want to line up the pinch twist so it's on one side and your remaining balloon is coming across the other side. We're just going to do a small bubble here for the little tummy part that goes across. And then we want to repeat everything. So the loop, the pinch twist, and the leg with what we have left. So we're going to start with that big loop. Make sure it's big enough for a 260. And hopefully they match and are about the same size. We're going to do another little pinch twist here. And then your remaining balloon, we're going to do 1 more twist. I like to just eyeball this up and measure so I can try to get 2 legs that are about the same size as close as possible. And we're just going to wrap that into our 2 feet loops at the bottom. And this little bit that we have left is so small, I'm just going to leave it back there. It just kind of keeps the feet flat and facing the direction I want them to face. And it's not big enough where it's like, what is that? So we're just going to leave that there. This is your overall design with 1 balloon. You can do any kind of a character that wears overalls. This is a great little base overall design for that. Again, you could do different colored shoes if you want to change it up and make it a little bit fancier. But for 1 balloon overalls, this is great. Now for the rest of the minion, we're going to get our yellow 260 and we're going to start off with his little hand. So for the hands, I'm going to do just a small round bubble and then a small loop, fold it over and twist. Okay, so that is like a little dog face. That is our minion's little hand. We're going to squeeze out the rest of our balloon and thin it out a little bit. And I'm going to slide our balloon through that first little overall arm. So however long you want his arms to be, that's where you stop pulling it through. And then right here, once we get kind of right in the middle of the overalls, we're going to make a twist. So it's kind of going to be the middle. I'm going to do 2 pinch twists here just so that it'll hold everything upright how I want it. Okay, so I've got my 2 pinch twists here in the center. Okay, for the face or his little banana looking head, we're just going to do a loop with our yellow. Okay, so however big you want the head or how tall you want it to be, we're going to make a loop that size, fold it over, twist it, and wrap that into your pinch twist. Okay, so you've got your 2 pinch twists on the bottom there and your loop up top, and we're going to slide the rest of our balloon through the other overall strap. Okay, like that. So everything's all in place where it should be, and we can finish off with his hand out here. So just twist it off so it's about the same length as the other arm, and then you're going to do a little loop and a small round bubble I'm going to turn this one into a pinch twist to finish it off nice and clean. And we can get rid of the rest. Just wrap that through that loop to secure that loose end. You don't even have to tie it. Make sure he's facing forward. Now, if you want the hands to kind of be a little bit cleaned up more, you can go ahead and take this nozzle and just pull it into the twist. And now it looks the same on both sides. So it looks like 2 pinch twists on either side. And that is all the balloon work that you need to do for your little line work minion. That is so super fast, right? And now, to make it really fast and also super cute, we're going to make use of some fun stickers. Now, you can either purchase these. I got these from Badaboom Stickers. There's the double minion eyes and also the single minion eyes. So you can grab these stickers, or if you have like a Cricut or a vinyl printer thing at home, you can make your own ahead of parties where you're going to be offering minions. You could also draw a face on, but I love these stickers just because they look great. It saves so much time. It's easy to just throw them on here. Look how cute. And just tape them on. And then it comes with mouth stickers. I'm still undecided on the mouth. Let's put one on so you can see what they look like. But sometimes I think they're a little creepy looking, and I just prefer to draw a little happy face, but this works fine. I guess it looks okay in the camera to me. And then sometimes I'll take a marker and just do a couple little hairs on top. They just have a couple little hairs on top. Okay, so that is our super fast line work minion character. I think it's adorable, and this is always a hit, especially with the younger kids. They really like the Minions, and they're always coming out with new Minion movies, so it's like never goes out of style. These are always popular. Now, if the stickers are too pricey for you, you don't want to invest in those, it's super easy to draw one eyeball. Let's see. I'll do it on the other side real quick. You're just going to start with a little black dot, go around it with a nice thick line like that, and then you do little straps on either side. Just take your marker on the side and do a nice thick little strap. Do the same thing on the other side. Do his little hairs, and then for a mouth, I like to do, these characters have so much personality. You can really draw any kind of mouth and it'll go with it. You can make it a little bit more open, maybe give them some teeth. I like that. That's cute. And then if you have a white paint pen, you can color in the white parts. You can do some little highlight shine marks on the eye, color in the teeth. So there's a Sharpie version and then the sticker version. So these are fun because you could have a minion that's like grumpy on one side and happy on the other, or he's got like the 2 eyes on one side, 1 eye on the, so you've got like 2 different minion characters in one. That could be kind of something fun to play around with. But this is my default line work minion when I want to go fast but still offer some popular characters that are going to be a hit with the kiddos. So you can grab clip art for this guy inside of my clip art vault in the Twisterhood, so you can get this guy on your menus and have people actually asking for him, because sometimes people don't think about all these things that you know how to make. They don't know. And so if you offer it on your menu, they'll see it and be like, oh, I love those. Let's get some of those. And it's easy to make and a good design to keep the line moving with. If you're not already a member of the Twisterhood, what are you waiting for? Come join us. We've got a spot waiting for you. The Twisterhood is where I put all the resources that I need and make for my own business, and I make them available to everyone. So there's menu templates, there's over 700 images of clip art. I've got member exclusive tutorials in there if you want to learn some more advanced designs and more award-winning stuff. We cover more decor topics in there. Any kind of design work you might need for your business, from social media posts to business cards, signs. We've got Canva templates inside the Twisterhood for everything. So you can make use of our resources for a low payment, and then it'll look like you pay a really expensive professional designer to do all your design work and branding, but really you're just in the Twisterhood and we make it all available for you there. So I hope you'll check it out and join us at thetwisterhood.com. Or if you're just looking for some new clothing to wear to your events so that you can look more fun and festive and not just like another guest at the party, check out popcoutureshop.com. It's where I sell all of my designs for clothing and gear. I've got some fun new designs this year with our relaunch. We did a bunch of new patterns, all featuring balloon dogs, of course. But there's even some stuff in there that kind of is for the face painters a little bit, and magicians and bubble artists as well. So we're kind of branching out a little bit, but it all still includes balloon dogs because I know a lot of people dabble in other arts as well. And don't forget, America's 250th birthday is coming up in July 4th, and we've got the red, white, and blue gear on there as well, so you can be festive from now through July, basically. It'd be a great time to wear any of that red, white, and blue stuff. And we've got some fun balloon dog themed shirts, vests, dresses, stuff for the guys and the girls. So check it out at popcoutureshop.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'd love to see some photos of your balloon minions in our free Facebook group this week. I'll put the link in the description. You can join us and share your work in there. We'd love to see what you're working on. Even if it's not the balloon of the week, let's just see what parties are you doing this week? What designs are you coming up with? What are you experimenting with? We'd love to know. And I'll be looking forward to seeing y'all in the free Facebook group. Till next time, happy twisting, everyone. Bye.